Hello, guys. So today, let's talk about the different cells of the stomach. So this is the lower part of the esophagus. This is the stomach. The stomach is a fundus. This region is fundus, and this region is the cardium. This region. Then this is the body. This region, body. Then the antrum, then the pylorus. Right. So looking at this region of the stomach, the fundus, the fundus. In this region of the fundus, there are some type of cells known as parietal cells. Parietal cells. These cells they secrete hydrochloric acid. They secrete hydrochloric acid. They also release or secrete some intrinsic factors. They secrete some intrinsic factors. Those intrinsic factors help for absorption of vitamin B12. They help for absorption of vitamin B12. And this HCl, when this HCl is secreted, it will also help in activation of some type of cells known as chief cells. So those chief cells they are found in gastric glands. So these are gastric glands here. They are gastric glands. So in the base of gastric glands, that's where we find chief cells. In the base of gastric glands, we find chief cells. Chief cells, they are also known as zymogenic cells. Chief cells, they are also known as zymogenic cells. So HCl. So in the chief cells, there is secretion of pepsinogen. When pepsinogen meets HCl, it will be converted to pepsin. So HCl works in the chief cells. When the chief cells release pepsinogen is converted to pepsin when it meets HCl, right? Also, the HCl what activate parietal cells to secrete HCl. So there are type of cells found in the pylorus region. This pylorus. So in the pylorus you find some type of cells known as enteroendocrine cells or G cells. These cells they secrete gastrin. This gastrin help in activation of parietal cells. To secrete HCl. So these are enteroendocrine cells or G cells which secrete gastrin. Gastrin is a protein which will activate the parietal cells. Parietal cells will secrete HCl, and also they'll secrete intrinsic factor which help for vitamin B12 absorption. And that HCl which is secreted by parietal cells will also activate pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is an inactive protein. So it's when it meets HCl, it will be converted to pepsin. Also, the chief cells are also known as zymogenic cells. So these are the main cells which are found in the stomach, main types of cells found in the stomach. Thank you very much.